Good afternoon, everyone. The topic for my case presentation is eyes, the windows to diagnosis and complications of leukemia. So leukemia, as we know, is a malignant disease in which there is clonal proliferation of the immature leukocytes. Eyes can be one of the most frequent extramedullary location, and its features could be the inaugural manifestations. And these include dilated tortuous veins, hemorrhages, cotton wool spots, leukemic infiltrates, and many others. So, a 25-year-old gentleman presented to us with a complaint of sudden diminution of vision in the left eye since 4 days. There was no history of trauma or any significant history. The vision in the right eye was 6 by 7.5, whereas in the left eye it was 6 by 12 and 10. The anterior segment was normal, but in the posterior segment we could see that there are dilated tortuous veins along with multiple white-centered hemorrhages. And so the OCT was advised for both the eyes, where we could see that there are intraretinal hyperreflective lesions. So these are Roth spots. There are multiple differentials of Roth spots, which include infective endocarditis, leukemia, anemia, myeloma, and many others. So to differentiate these, routine lab investigations were advised, where we could see that the patient has mild anemia and granulocytosis on CBC, whereas the CML showed that there is proliferation of the immature blast cells, and hence the suspicion of CML was there. That is chronic myeloid leukemia. And so the urgent referral to hemato-oncologist was made, where he could see that the patient has splenomegaly along with translocation of the chromosome 922, that is BCR-ABL gene, and hence confirming the diagnosis of CML. So the patient was started on oral imatinib, and after 3 months when he presented to us, the vision was improved to 6.6 in the right eye, whereas 6.6 part in the left eye. The fundus finding and the OCT findings had also significantly improved. After 1 year, the vision was normal, that is 6.6 in both the eyes, the fundus was okay, and the blood counts were also within normal range. Now another patient who presented to us, now she was a known case of ALL this time and was in complete remission since past 2 years. This time she presented to us with a sudden onset painless of diminution of vision in left eye since 15 days. The vision was decreased in both the eyes with grade 3 RAPT in left eye. The anterior segment was normal, but in the posterior segment we could see that there are edema in the disc and the surrounding area along with pre-retinal hemorrhages. So the MRI brain and orbit was advised to see if there is any secondaries present in the brain or there is any CNS involvement. And we could see that there is an intraocular elliptical mass lesion in the posterior aspect of the left globe that suggested the presence of leukemic infiltration. So the diagnosis of ALL relapse with leukemic infiltration was made. So it's important to be aware that this kind of life-threatening disorder may be an initial presentation to an ophthalmologist as well. But we couldn't diagnose the disease for the first time and the relapse by just simple fundus examination. So all leukemia patients should have ophthalmic assessment at diagnosis and after 6 months also. Many patients have no symptoms despite ophthalmic involvement, which could be an early sign of CNS disease or relapse. Thank you.
Any questions from the panel? Priyanka Mohanty.